Good morning, everybody. My name is David Murphy from Mount Diablo Insurance Brokers. This is my first video in a series of many. I'm going to be discussing insurance risks, liability exposures, how these policies operate, and answer any questions with regards to insurance services. I'm working from home today. I'm actually here with my daughter, Abigail. Abby, say hi. Awesome. Another day, another dollar, trying to protect and transfer risk. Anyways, I just want to keep everything open and honest. We all have to operate the best we can, and I'm fortunate enough to be able to spend time with my daughter as well as handle multiple client risks across the United States. I digress. The reason for this video is to go over the difference between auditable and non-auditable policies. I had one of my contractors in today, and he's a new client, and he was never really explained about his policy, how it works. His previous brokers had never explained anything to him. He just got hit at the end of every year with a pretty sizable increase in his policy. He thought it was actually penalties. It's not. So with high labor intensive jobs, especially in the construction business, the majority of the policies are auditable. What that means is based off of your payroll, your sales, the scope and increases in your business, your policy premium is going to increase as well because that risk has now changed. It's gotten greater. So it wasn't a penalty, it's just how the policy rates the risk. It's really important to be able to explain that to your clients, how that risk is increased and why, so that we can make sure that we can maintain the right policy. And now you never want to overestimate or underestimate. You want to try to be as true to the rate as possible so there's no big variations with that premium. And it's also important to have a broker that has that access to review the exposure and see if he can find a non-auditable option. Sometimes that's the case. In his field as a roofer, definitely not. But we do the best to rate him as appropriate as possible so that if there's an increase due to the success of his business, it's manageable and it's not something that is unexpected. So if you have any questions or you want to review any policies, feel free to reach out to me anytime. We have access to over 250 carriers in every state and the ability to write all lines of insurance. And the big win for us is that we charge no broker fees, and that's going to be another video that we're going to talk about. Broker fee or agency fee, however the agency loves to spin it. It's a unnecessary fee for the majority of the risks that are being placed. So it doesn't have to happen, and we can save you money right out the gate with that. So stay tuned for the next video, and please like, share, and let me know how we're doing, and let me know how I did. Thank you. Have a great day.